Farmers Renters Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Farmers Renters Insurance app is designed to make managing your renter's policy fast and convenient. Many assume it's just for reviewing coverage, but the app allows you to file claims, pay premiums, update personal information, and monitor reimbursements, all from your mobile device. On the pros side, the app gives you instant access to policy details including coverage limits, deductibles, and optional add-ons. Filing a claim is straightforward. You can upload photos or documents directly to streamline processing. Premium payments are easy to manage, with clear billing history and notifications for upcoming due dates. Push notifications keep you updated on claim status, policy changes, and other essential information. The app also includes helpful facts and guidance for renters looking to protect their property effectively. On the con side, most features require an internet connection, so offline access is limited. Some users report that older claims or detailed documents can take a while to load. The app lacks advanced tools like coverage calculators for multi-policy comparisons, which may be a downside for those seeking more detailed insurance management. In conclusion, the Farmers Renters Insurance app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing renters' coverage. While it doesn't include advanced planning features, it excels in claims handling, premium management, and policy monitoring. For renters seeking convenience and peace of mind, this app is a solid choice.